Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. I'm also doing well by the grace of Almighty. And today in this videos, we can see where I'm exactly standing right now. You can see this is a beautiful place, and I have just come here for spending some times here. And you can see behind of me there are so many gourds. They are actually having grasses here and there. And as well as I have just come here for watching the beauty of this tomato. You can see there are so many little trees here, and you can see there are so many tomatoes in these trees. You can see here, like, these are the tomatoes. Can you see?
No, this is not a tomato. It's look like tomato.
Yeah, it seems to be a tomato, but it's not tomato actually.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
kind of different food. I don't know whether it's food or not. You can see there are so many flowers, in this tree. Yeah, little flower, but we have to be careful because there are so many hole in this tree. Like anytime it can be like put into our hand, right? So we have to be careful, like while we're touching these trees, because you can see, yeah, these are the holes. Please look at this hole. These are kind of difficult to touch here. It can be hole in our hand anytime, so you have to be careful. And this flower is looking really awesome. So it's really outstanding. You can see in these little trees you'll see so many tomatoes.
No tomatoes.
No
You made
tomato,
a
right?
mistake.
These are kind of tomato, like looking like tomato. Yeah, it's really seems to be a tomato. Look, this is a ripe tomato. Okay, let me. So যখন আমরা গাছ থেকে নিচে উঠাবো তখন আমরা বলতে পারি plucked, plucked. So I plucked a tomato from this tree. অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি I plucked a tomato from this tree. So এইভাবে আমাদেরকে চর্চার মাধ্যমে ইংলিশ শিখতে হবে. You can see there are so many flowers in these trees. Not in this tree, like in these trees. You can see there are so many there are so many flowers. Like if you wanna catch if you wanna catch a flower, you can say I wanna catch a flower. Catch মানে ধরা, or like উঠানো, you can say like catch. And as well as you can say plucked.
That side.
Yeah, we can move around this place, and we can see the beauty of these trees. It's really awesome, but there is something wrong with these trees, like there are so many holes. So we have to be careful while touching these little trees. Though it's like interesting or like captivating, but we have to be careful. It can causes, I mean, our skin diseases, or causes like damage, right? So you can see over there's like canal which is connected to Somna River, which is really wonderful. And there are so many fishes when, like, the rainy season comes. When rainy season comes, there are so many waters in these canals, and so many fishes that we can catch while rainy season, and we can have those fishes, right? And those fishes are really delicious. And this is how you have to speak. You have to practice. As well as you can see over there are so many like houses over there. Can you just move the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, please move the camera over there. Like, there are so many like houses, and coconut trees, and like date trees over there. There is a date trees where we can have so many dates mean khejur. We can have those dates from that tree. Yeah. So, and over there's a little pond. Little pond. It's not a huge pond. It's a little pond where we can, like, cultivate fishes. There's like a baby cow who's like having the grasses over there, and so many birds are screaming over my head. Over my head মানে আমার মাথা উপরে. There are so many birds are flying over my head. মানে over my head মানে আমার মাথা উপর দিয়ে উড়ে যাচ্ছে. So this is how you can practice. If you like these videos, then please hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching these videos. So Allah Hafiz.